Bridge. That's Takasia, Rosun, Beryl, and Somalia. You would never guess where we, I guess you could figure out where we are. We walking through Sousa Woods with Mr. Wiggly. I told them they're gonna keep playing around in here. Mr. Wiggly gonna get them. It was just like a horror movie. They're like, I don't want to go in there. I don't want to go down there. Yeah, Bridge, we in Sousa Woods. I had to take a tour through here. Yo, it's crazy. We used to come down. This is where we used to hang out at right here. We used to really chill like over here. When we play hooky.
Right here.
Yo, this is where the quicksand was. This is where the swamp is. No, over there. That's over there. That's all this. No, that's not it. That's not the quicksand. The quicksand's over here. We used to see all that right there. It used to be open. We used to make rafts. We used to make rafts and go in there and, with sticks, get long sticks. And I remember I fell in there.
It's like some Blair Witch Project
Nowhere.
Where did this go to?
Oh man, Bridget, look at this.
Y'all used to play down here.
Man, sure. We used to play hooky. We used to play hooky from school in here. Yo, all right, bro, no. We play hooky from school. Come up in here.
It's not bad over here.
Look, there go Mr. Wiggly house right there.
Mr. Wiggly.
That's Mr. Wiggly house right
Yeah,
there.
this dude like some. Somebody was here.
Cause look, they built the thing.
Fire. They was camping out here. They was in here humping. They built themselves a little fire over there.
Bridget, we deep in Sousa Woods right now. I don't know if you remember this area.
What's this little? Somebody built a little cave.
I told you that. That's probably where you sleeping at.
As long as people gonna get hooked into this spot over here.
Did you see everybody walks through, he's walking his dog and
I'm
everything?
just saying, like, obviously the park people can stick it in the street. Like hiking. Not hiking.
Look at Burrow. Look at Burrow and Edenwald.
Yes, please take me back to Long Island.
Yeah.
So y'all got bring you here and have a picnic.
Hey, I was just checking on you. I saw the message later. Let's have me working today. No, I think I'm gonna say something. I don't know. It's weird. But I did this. I put myself in it, so I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, I ain't talking.
We can make it.
Yeah, the sound dude. And then, he left, right, Auntie? And the shit cut off like 4 or 5 times. I had to go to the generator. They had a weak generator. The generator wasn't that many watts or some shit like that.
Look at Burrow. Burrow over here in Sousa Woods, Bridget.
Yeah, I'm finished. Me, Tasheen, and my nieces, and my girlfriend, we walking through Sousa Woods right now. Yeah,
Shit, are you really?
fucking up my Seton. Yeah, I'm good though. This Mr. Wiggly, that's what we just. Tasha,
She said that? She
yeah,
said,
Mr. Wiggly.
yo, hey, auntie, they don't know about Mr. Wiggly. I was telling them. I know you do. I was telling them, I said, hey, we just can't disturb Mr. Wiggly. That's funny.
No, I was telling them me Pierre. I don't know. I can't remember who else it was. Steven, that Miss Leanie's grandson. We used to jump ramps in here.
Look at Somali and Caucasian and Susan Woods. He's talking to us on the phone. And she just said, y'all be careful. Don't mess around with Mr. Wiggly in there. You gotta be an OG to know that.
They was playing with us or something? Not going back this way? I don't know.
Okay, your leg, you know her leg. Come on now.
Look, damn, Susan Woods, Bridget.
Come on, her leg now. Yes. And I just said I was going to walk. This is it. This is like kind of like when we went and walked in Belmont.
And I seen Lillian. No, I didn't see Lloyd Edwards. For some reason, she was with Kit Kat from across the street.
Yeah. Yeah, everybody pretty much come in here, get high, chill, get high. They go to the swamp right there.
I smell it.
Yeah, that's the swamp.
Wow, it goes deeper
That's the
than where
swamp.
we was at?
Yeah. You probably took her for a walk through here.
That's probably their spot, and he put it there.
Yeah. We should come out. We should come out over by my building.
Watch out!
Susan Woods.
What?
Susan Woods.
Susan was.
Yeah.
Sound. Susan what?
Susan Woods.
It don't come up on your location.
It's probably gonna come under a different name. Probably we down by the library. Yeah, it's a waterfall. There's a waterfall over there.
She was just saying, you know how many crimes? Probably there's a lot of crimes committed in here.
Well, they used to dump bodies. Let's go this way.
Dump bodies?
They used to dump bodies in here.
He said, hey, Clutchy, I see Clutchy, hey, Clutchy.
That wasn't there. That's new. That's Bridget. That's the library though across the street over there. This park wasn't there before. This is brand new. I had friends that lived down over here on this side, right? This trail wasn't here. This wasn't here. Watch this. When we come out of this trail, my building is right there. When we come out of this trail, my building is gonna be right there across the street. I had a friend that lived right over there.
You never told Auntie Bridget to come out for Edenwald all day?
She ain't gonna come out for the Edenwald day.
She don't want to see these people?
I mean, she do, but it's too far. Like
Come all the way from Georgia for Edenwald.
yeah, she ain't gonna come all the way from Georgia for the Edenwald day. Maybe she will one day. But this trail wasn't here. This trail wasn't here. So I remember one time it was dark. There's a blanket there. So I knew it was dark. And I was saying, I could either cut through here and be right home, or walk all the way around.
You walked around.
Nah,
Ran.
man, I ran right through here. I ran. It was dark. I just ran.
That's what we used to do in the snakes. Go through the snake path. We used to just run. You either walk through the snake path and get to the A Center, or walk all the way down
the turn
Columbus.
path.
Yeah, all the way walk down Schlegel and then walk down Columbus. You better haul ass through the snake path.
Yeah, it is a lot of snakes up
You haul ass through that shit. They ain't stopped till you go to the A Center.
Boom. And there go my building right there.
Yeah, it's Seton Falls Park.
Huh? Seton Falls.
Seton Falls Park.
Susan or Sousa?
Sousa's the name of the school. Seton Falls is the name of the woods. But
So y'all was having fun. You know, as you tell us as
As a kid,
kids,
it would have been fun.
and how it looked, I would have never imagined it was like this over here. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Twisted Tea. Yeah, it was. Hot.
there you go, Bridge.
Alright, I'll call you when I get your jersey. Alright.
We just took a hike, Bridge.
Beginnings, son. Humble beginnings. My brother had to steal. They had to steal food. Mommy was spending the money on drugs and shit. Mommy's a fucking trooper, yo. I love my
Caucasian, remember? Caucasian, remember? She used to have Caucasian and Takima hopping trains.
Yup. Like, stand right here, and when y'all hear that train come, jump. She was like, go, go, go. He was like, what is this lady got us doing?
Mommy, she got hit by the car right there in front of the center.
Right in front of the center.
Really? It was bad?
It was horrible. That was why we moved to Queens. That's why we left.
And they took me to my
Yeah,
grandmother.
there you go. Yeah,
That's how we separated.
that's exactly how we
When mommy got hit
separated.
by a car, they went into Queens with Junior, right?
Yep.
And
Y'all around
And
when
he
it
went.
happened?
He went
and
to
I went
his.
over here.
He went up to his grandmother.
My father's mother.
She was in a coma. She was in a coma for like 2 months.
Shit. I remember y'all saying something about her getting hit by a car.
Yeah, she was in a coma for like 2 months.
She landed on her
My
head.
bad.
Yeah.
The cab hit her. She flew in the air and she landed on her head. But they say
It was
doctor,
his fault, right?
yeah,
She
they was like she was so high, like her brain was like a cushion from the drugs and shit. So that's why she wasn't fucked up. You know?
That was a crazy sight because I remember
Long life.
she ain't going nowhere. Look at her now. Look at her now. She ain't going nowhere. Like damn, like she might be at my funeral. She gonna be at my funeral with y'all. She gonna.
Yeah, nobody thinks.
I'm coming next weekend.
All right.
I'm bringing Jordan, so y'all can meet Jordan. Cardinal Spellman. Yeah. Cardinal Spellman. That's the first school
Cardinal Spellman,
I
Bridget.
realized they wore uniforms and shit.
That's segregation before I knew what segregation was.
That's crazy.
Right, Bridge? Cardinal Spellman was segregation before we even knew what segregation was. There go ball.
Yeah. Rakim.
Hey, Bridge, look. Look at the Bridge. That's Ball Kim.
How you doing? I'm good, man.
You know it.
I'm good. About to be out
Ball
here.
Kim,
Yeah,
peace.
me too. Peace. We are traveling. You're
Yeah, we
back
about
over
to
here?
be out. Yeah, we about to be out, man. We just taking a quick walk around. Yeah, yeah, we gotta take a flick.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me turn this around right here. Boom. Okay. You ready? Oh, hold on. I got it on video. All right. There you go. Ready? All right.
Motherfucking
Yeah.
Ball Kim, man.
No question.
God damn,
Hey, yo,
man.
but yo, enjoy
He's
yourself.
a
because-
legend, man.
Yo, you know
He's a
what?
legend, man.
It's about the knowledge being infinite, within ourselves. And the nonstop we got